Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock focus with the focus assist light on your Sony A6500. We'll go through this in just 4 easy steps. Step 1. Turn on your camera start by powering on your Sony A6500. Ensure that your camera is in either aperture priority, A, shutter priority, S, or manual M mode for more control over the focus settings. Step 2. Enable the AF illuminator. Press the menu button and navigate to the camera icon to access the shooting menu. Scroll down to find the AF illuminator option. Select it and set it to auto or on. This setting allows the camera to use the built-in LED as a focus assist light in low light conditions. Step 3. Select your focus mode. Exit the menu and press the FN function button located near the rear screen of the camera. This will open the quick function menu. Use the control dial to navigate to the focus mode setting. Choose AFS, autofocus single, for stationary subjects, or AFC, autofocus continuous, if your subject is moving. Step 4. Lock focus. Point the camera at your subject. Half-press the shutter button to activate the autofocus. The focus assist light should illuminate if the lighting conditions are dim, helping the camera to lock focus on the subject. Once focus is achieved, the focus indicator will appear on the display. Press the shutter button fully to take the picture. And there you have it. Locking focus with the light on your Sony A6500 is as simple as that.